filled the air yesterday for the second annual Sound of Bakersfield in downtown Bakersfield. The day was filled with good vibes, great food, and even better music. It kicked off at 1 p.m. at 19th and I Streets. There were live performances with local bands and lunch and dinner served up by downtown restaurants. One of the performances was from our local band, Valley Fever.
We're all from Bakersfield. We all went to BHS. We all known each other for a long time. We're really good friends and brothers. It's pretty unique for us because we're not your typical Bakersfield band. We play a lot of R&B, funk, soul, and it's good to bring the different kind of sound to Bakersfield, right?
Come on down. It's going to be fun, and you haven't been downtown a while. Come on down. We got great shops, restaurants, and bars.
The Sound of Bakersfield is hosted by the Downtown Business Association with the goal to revitalize our downtown area.